Hi everyone! Today I am bringing you 3 amazing gadgets that are going to completely change the way you live, work, and travel. From futuristic earbuds to smart rings and even a portable chair, these gadgets are a must-see. Let's begin with number 1. Imagine earbuds that can replace your mobile phone. Yes, you heard that right. These futuristic earbuds come with a display on the charging case, giving you complete control. From adjusting sound quality to making calls, everything is just a touch away. With 4G connectivity and built-in AI, you can talk to anyone, give commands, and even translate and listen to over 40 languages in real time. These earbuds pack all the features of a smartphone into one sleek device. If you love smart gadgets, this is a must-have. Number 2, let's talk about this revolutionary smart ring that monitors your health like never before. This isn't just a stylish accessory. It tracks your blood pressure, stress levels, ECG, and more. All this data is instantly available on your smartphone, making it super easy to stay on top of your health. If you are health conscious or just love wearable tech, this smart ring will make your life better and more connected. Number 3. And finally, let's solve the problem of traveling without a seat. This ergonomic gadget is a portable chair that you can wear like a belt on your bag. When you sit in a normal posture, it provides perfect support for your back, functioning just like a chair. It's comfortable, lightweight, and designed with ergonomics in mind, so you can sit for long periods without any discomfort. Perfect for trains, buses, or anywhere you need an instant seat. Next time your travel plans don't include a confirmed ticket, this chair will have your back, literally.